A dish which is prepared with lot of love and a subtle desire is raw mango rice. The taste, fragrance, and the experience when we savor this is almost inexplicable, and also it is a walk down the memory lane. Therefore, in today's episode, let us learn to prepare this tasty raw mango rice as well as the storable raw mango spice mix. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The first step in preparing the raw mango spice mix is to roast some fenugreek seeds. Here we have taken 12 fenugreek seeds and we are roasting them on a low flame. After roasting the fenugreek seeds, we are adding one large finely chopped Totapuri raw mango to a hand blender. After the raw mango, let us add 25 green chillies. For the sourness in the mango, we definitely need 25 green chillies. After adding the chilies, let us add the roasted fenugreek seeds and finely chop these ingredients. It is important to not make this into a paste and just chop it finely. For the next step, let us heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a heavy bottomed pan. To this hot oil, let us add 2 tablespoons of groundnuts. And now it is time to roast these on low flame till it is completely done. Roasting the groundnuts separately and not adding them to the spice mix ensures their crunchiness and does not make them soggy. And now to this oil, let us add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Because the oil is hot, mustard starts to splutter immediately, and then it is time to add 1 tablespoon of Urad Dal. After adding the Urad Dal, let us roast these on medium flame till the Urad Dal turns golden in color. Once the added dal starts to change its color, let us add 1 fistful of curry leaves. Look at this, my dear friends. Urad Dal has turned golden in color and the curry leaves have come out crunchy as well. Therefore, it is time to add the mixture of raw mango and chilies. After adding this mixture, let us add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. After adding the turmeric comes king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add a little salt just for this spice mix. After mixing the salt and the turmeric, it is time to roast this on low flame till the oil separates from this mixture. After roasting this for about 10 minutes, the oil has separated and our tasty, fragrant, raw mango spice mix for the rice is ready. This remains fresh for about a month if refrigerated in an airtight container. All we need to do now is to prepare the raw mango rice with the spice mix which we have made. After mixing the rice along with the spice mix, it is time to add the king of taste, Mr. Salt. As we have added a little salt to the spice mix, be mindful of adding the salt. After the salt comes the pre-roasted groundnuts. To make this even better, we are adding a little bit of grated coconut. Our final ingredient is finely chopped coriander leaves. Add coriander leaves generously and give a good mix to all these ingredients. This is it, my dear friends. Our homemade, tasty and fragrant raw mango rice is ready. We hope and request you to make this at your homes and enjoy this with your friends as well as family. And by the way, if you like this recipe and the episode, do like this video and also share this video with all your friends. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.